Hi, I'm Jody, and I have got a pretty great life. A family that I adore, a job that I'm good at, and friends that I love. Like I said, pretty great. We have our bumps like everyone else, and things get stressful sometimes, but we're figuring it out as we go along. But you want to know my biggest stress? The thing that I worry about more than just about anything else? Food. Is that weird? I mean, don't get me wrong, I love a good hot chicken sandwich as much as anyone, but day to day, sometimes thinking about food stresses me out. Like, how much to eat and when? Is breakfast really the most important meal of the day? And is it 3 meals or lots of smaller ones? Is dairy good or bad this week? Good fats, bad fats, sugar, salt, natural, organic, antioxidants, probiotics, MSG, non-GMO, portion sizes, and what is up with all the K words? Kale and keto and kudzu and kombucha. You see what I mean? It's completely overwhelming, and at some point I just kind of gave up and started eating whatever was easy, or quick, or convenient, or satisfied a craving. Basically anything that I didn't have to think about. My stress disappeared, but so did my energy, and my drive, and my creativity. It was not good. Which makes sense because, well, you saw what I was putting in my body. I was stuck, and honestly, it was really frustrating. I finally confided in a friend. She suggested I look into meal replacements. I did quite a bit of research, even made a list of things that I wanted in a meal replacement product. I tried several different brands and almost gave up. Then I found Zija meal replacement. It's the only one that checks off all the boxes off my list. It had to save me time, it had to be nutritious, it had to be convenient, grab and go, and it had to taste great. So what is it about Zija meal replacement that makes it such a necessity? Well, first off, let's talk time. If I want a nutritiously balanced meal, I need to make a meal plan. Go to the store, buy the produce, and then cook it. That's all fine and good, but 3 times a day? Who has time for that? If we're being honest, fast is the easy part. There are a lot of foods out there that are fast. But what about nutrition? A well-balanced meal needs to include carbohydrates, healthy fats, a good source of protein, and essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. And our bodies need a lot of vitamins and minerals. I shouldn't have to make a trip to the grocery store 3 times a week to get fresh produce. Now I don't have to. Zija meal replacement takes the worry and work out of creating a fast, nutritiously balanced meal. It's a serious game changer. It's everything I need in a convenient on-the-go meal that's healthy and tastes great. Instead of hauling the entire produce section of the grocery store with me every day, I just need 1 packet of Zija meal replacement. Can you believe that 1 packet has 50% of the FDA recommended daily vitamins and minerals? And at $3 per meal, I'm saving money. All of this in this. I got my energy, my focus, and my health back. There's one thing I didn't get back, the stress, and I'm okay with that.